Welcome to my channel Deep Learning Biology. My name is Dr. Vikash Bhardwaj. Now in this video I am going to teach you how to prepare molar solutions. So in this video you are going to learn how to prepare molar solution. Now try to see here. You must be knowing what is a solution. Solution, it is actually a mixture of solute plus solvent, and most of the time you will see in the laboratory the solvent is water, and your solute, the chemical, it can be either solid or it can be liquid. Okay, so most of the times in laboratory we are going to prepare molar solution using some solid chemical. Okay, today we are going to learn how to prepare these molar solution. Now here I just want to tell you, before going further, okay, I just want to remind you about gram molecular weight. Now here you can easily calculate gram molecular weight for any chemical. Okay, easily. Keep in mind, gram molecular weight is actually sum of atomic weight of each atoms which are present within a chemical. Now try to see here. Let's suppose we are going to have sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Okay, now here, okay, hopefully you must be knowing the sodium, it is going to have atomic weight that is 22.99, and here if you see the oxygen, it is going to have atomic weight 16, and if you see the hydrogen, it is going to have atomic weight 1.01, and if you add these, okay, so here it will come out 40. So gram molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is 40, and same way you can calculate for NaCl. Okay, so here for sodium it is 22.99. okay, then you add for chlorine, the atomic weight is 35.45, and if you solve this it will come out 58.44 molarity. Okay, now hopefully you must be knowing, okay, molarity, it is going to be defined as number of moles of solute dissolved per liter of solution. Okay, numbers of moles of solute dissolved per liter of solution. Now try to see here, what is this term moles? Okay, and here I just want to tell you, moles, you can calculate mass divided by molar mass. Mass divided by molar mass, it is going to tell you number of moles. Okay, now here keep in mind, hopefully you remember, 1 dozen, it is going to have 12 items. Okay, so if you are going to say, you want to purchase 1 dozen banana, so it is going to have 12. Same way, in 1 mole of any substance, keep in mind it is going to have 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. keep in this mind, 1 mole of any substance, it is going to have 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Let's suppose, okay, you have prepared, okay, 1 molar solution, okay, means you have dissolved 1 mole of the solute in 1 liter. Very simple. Okay, try to see. If you have 1 molar solution, means you have dissolved, okay, the solute, okay, in 1 liter. The final volume is 1 liter. Okay, so try to see. You are going to have some solute. Okay, here just listen carefully. Initially we are going to dissolve it in small amount of water, and finally you are going to make the volume 1 liter. Okay, so then that solution is 1 molar. So in case when you are going to prepare 1 molar solution, what you are going to do, you will dissolve 1 mole of the substance in 1 liter. Okay, now here try to see. Mole, I have told you, mass divided by molar mass. Try to see here. Let us suppose we take one question. Okay, how to prepare 1 liter 1 molar NaCl. Okay, very simple question. How to prepare 1 liter 1 molar NaCl. Now try to see here. If you see NaCl, it is going to have this gram molecular weight, or you can say molar mass, 58.44. Okay, so NaCl, it is going to have this gram molecular weight. Okay, and here how to prepare 1 liter 1 molar NaCl. Now keep in mind, if you are going to weigh 58.44 gram, okay, 58.44 gram, okay, then how many moles are going to be present in 58.44 gram NaCl? Very simple. Okay, mole, it is equal to mass. Let's suppose you have weighed 58.44 gram and divided it by molar mass, 58.44 gram. Okay, so here you see mole mass divided by, here mass is, let's suppose you weighed 58.44 gram. Okay, and here 58.44. Okay, this is going to prepare 1 molar. Okay, so here keep in mind, if you are going to weigh 58.44 gram NaCl, okay, initially, okay, you will dissolve it in small amount of water. You will weigh 58.44 gram NaCl. Okay, this is your 1 mole NaCl. Initially you will dissolve it in small amount of water, then finally you are going to make the volume 1 liter. Okay, so here keep in mind, you can prepare, okay, this, just try to see, to prepare 1 molar, okay, 1 liter, okay, you are going to weigh 58.44 gram. Try to see here, this is the molar mass of the chemical, here NaCl. So anytime if any chemical is being given to you, okay, let's suppose its molar mass is, okay, y gram, okay, then, and if someone is going to ask you how you are going to prepare 1 molar, okay, just you will weigh y gram, okay, and if you are going to make the final volume 1 liter, okay, you are going to dissolve it and you are going to make the final volume 1 liter. This way you are going to prepare 1 molar solution. So here in this situation, okay, you will weigh 58.44 gram, okay, of NaCl. Initially you are going to dissolve it in small amount of water, then you will add water such that the final volume is 1 liter. Try to see here. Sometimes students, generally what they do the mistake, okay, they will take 58.44 gram, okay, and they will try to dissolve it in 1 liter, okay. No, this is going to increase the volume, whatever small amount, okay. So here our target is to prepare 1 liter. So in this situation, what we are going to do, initially we will weigh, okay, so whatever the what is the requirement, we have to prepare 1 molar. So to prepare 1 molar, okay, we need 58.44 gram of this NaCl, okay. So we will dissolve initially in small amount of water, and finally we are going to make the volume 1 liter, okay. This way we are going to prepare 1 molar, okay, 1 liter NaCl. Quite easy. Now let us try to have another very simple question, okay. How 200 ml of 0.3 molar NaCl prepared, okay. Now here if you see NaCl, the molar mass is 58.44 gram, okay. Now just keep in mind, okay, 58.44 gram, okay, if you are going to dissolve and if you are going to make the final volume 1 liter, this is going to prepare 1 molar solution, okay. Now to prepare 1 molar, okay, 1 liter, how much you need? 58.44 gram. Now here we are going to fix one term first, okay. To prepare 0.3 molar 1 liter, how much you need? 58.44 multiplied by 0.3. Very simple, okay. Now here we have fixed this, okay. So to prepare 0.3 molar 1 liter, we need this amount. Now here try to see, to prepare 1 liter we need 58.44 into 0.3 gram, okay. Let's to prepare 1 liter, okay, here we have fixed 0.3 molar, okay. To prepare 1 liter, what we need? 58.44 into 0.3 gram, okay. And here you can see in 1 liter you are going to have 1000 ml. 58.44 into 0.3. To prepare 1 ml, 58.44 into 0.3 divided by 1000, and here in the question we have to prepare 200 ml, okay. It will 58.44 into 0.3 divided by 1000, okay, multiplied by 200. If you are going to, okay, if you are going to solve this, okay, what will be the answer here? It is 17.53 gram. Okay, now try to see here. To prepare 0.3 molar, how much? 200 ml, you are going to weigh 17.53 gram. And how you are going to prepare this solution? Very simple. Okay, you will take 17.53 gram. Okay, you will dissolve it in small amount of water. Okay, and finally you are going to make the volume, that is 200 ml. Okay, so this way you are going to prepare 200 ml of 0.3 molar NaCl. Okay, clear? Now let us try to solve another simple question. Okay, now here, how 50 ml of 20 millimolar NaOH prepared. Try to see here. If you see the molar mass of NaOH, it is 40. Now here, very simple, whatever the molar mass, if you are going to weigh 40 gram and if you are going to dissolve in 1 liter, you are going to make the final volume 1 liter, it is going to prepare 1 molar. Okay, very simple. 40 gram you need. Okay, and you will make the final volume 1 liter. This way you are going to prepare 1 molar. Now you can reshuffle. Okay, to prepare 1 molar, 1 liter, you are going to weigh 40 gram. Okay, now to prepare 20 millimolar, keep in mind this is going to be 0.02 molar. Okay, so to prepare 0.02 molar, 1 liter, 40 into 0.02. Okay, now here you see we have fixed for this. Okay, initially. Now try to see here. This is going to tell you about what amount to be dissolved in 1 liter. Okay, 1 liter is going to have 1000 ml. Okay, so here, okay, in 1000 ml, for 1000 ml, okay, what was the amount required? 40 into 0.02. For 1 ml, what was the amount required? 40 into 0.02 divided by 1000. And now here in this question, what was the question? How 50 ml of 20 millimolar NaOH. Okay, for 50 ml, how much will be required? 40 into 0.02 divided by 1000 multiplied by 50. Okay, just multiply. So for 1 ml this, for 50 ml this, and if you are going to solve this, it will come out 0.04 gram. Okay, so here how you are going to prepare? Very simple. You will weigh 0.04 gram of NaOH. Okay, you will dissolve it in very small amount of water, and finally you will make the volume 50 ml. Okay, keep in mind your final volume. Okay, you have to add water till the volume is 50 ml. Okay, so this way you are going to prepare 50 ml of 20 millimolar NaOH. Okay, so hopefully through this video you have learned how to prepare molar solution. In next video I will teach you how to dilute molar solution. Please do like, share the video and subscribe to my channel Deep Learning Biology. Bye bye, take care.